First, place your plate on the media support. Be sure that the matte side is up. This plate measures 13.385 inches by 19.875 inches or 340 millimeters by 505 millimeters, the maximum width the printer allows. Adjust your side guides to fit the media. Raise the Ranger feeder, checking that the plate is within the printer guides to ensure the plate feeds properly. The plate should lay flat. An error message will appear on the printer as a reminder to switch out the black drum with the dummy drum. To do this, open the front cover and remove the black drum and store it in the light, safe bag provided. Insert the dummy drum. Your job will continue once you close the front cover. Plate media prints in magenta.